Gender and technology in education. Differences in gender education has been a topic for many years. We have heard the stereotype that boys are stronger students in math, science, and technology. While today's society is growing in gender equality, the statistics still show the growth has been slow. A recent report by the American Association of University Women noted that while women have made significant advances in education and the workplace, women's gains in science and technology fields have been less dramatic. There's an assumption that girls are less likely candidates for technological study in fields for various cultural reasons. Some people in society believe that science and technology are masculine. This view has to change across the board because it has and will continue to carry over to the next generations. There's also the fact that girls enter the competitive education world years after boys. Girls started the education race after it started and after boys had been thoroughly studying fields in mathematics and sciences. Although we have seen great progress in the last 30 years, we are yet to see true equality and balance in all fields of mathematics, science, and technology between males and females. Historically, girls haven't been encouraged to gain enriched education or pursue careers in those fields. From the Climbing the Technical Ladder report, a study on mid-level women in technology in 2008 found that the typical gender ratio in a technical company is 79% men and 21% women, and this gap continues to become wider with rank. There is also the notion that expectations need to be lower for girls because boys will be the leaders in the classroom as well as in the workplace. On average, men are 3 times more likely than women to be in senior and executive positions. But today's girls and boys are both subjected to the same school's curriculum, expectations, opportunities, and education. I think the current situation is entertaining to research as well as to make predictions for the future that is to come regarding gender and technology in education. One research I found stated that boys still have more experience and are more successful with technology today because they have more confidence with the use of it. According to author Jessica Spock, while boys are more likely to experiment with technology and to use it playfully, girls tend to hold themselves to higher standards about how to use it successfully. This is one of the reasons that supposedly explains why boys tend to have more confidence with technology use. Also to note, technology such as video games and computer games tend to be more geared to boys than girls, and this can also help increase their confidence. Research presented in an article titled Gender Differences in Computer Attitudes, Ability, and Use in the Elementary Classroom stated, male dominance is still prevalent with respect to computer attitudes, ability, and use, and girls begin to develop increasingly negative attitudes as they reach grades 7 and 8. Other observations that were presented stated, boys use computers to play games, use educational software, and access the internet, whereas girls use computers for email, instant messaging, and homework. Boys tend to be more assertive and dominant about computer use, and girls tend to be more passive. And lastly, teachers let girls give up more easily than boys when solving computer-related problems. Furthermore, author Smock stated that female teachers need to grow their confidence too in the matter. Across all teaching levels, male educators have more experience with technology and, like male students, more confidence. Female teachers want to learn about technology from demonstrations and one-on-one guidance, while male teachers are more likely to want to learn from experience and less formal instruction. I thought this was interesting support for the author's view. Personally, I prefer learning from others and seeing examples, but I think those methods help my confidence. Aware of this, though, I'm willing to explore and experiment with different technology on my own to compare the learning modalities and my confidence level. A question brought up in another article piqued my interest. Is there something about the nature of physics or technology that makes them unattractive to girls as subjects to study? Some of our own societal perceptions discourage the youth from pursuing their interest in fields that are stereotypically associated with the opposite sex. I thought one author's solutions were valid to the situation. The author suggested that more female role models be present for students. I think female guest speakers from technological fields would be supportive of further growth of girls' interest and confidence in technology fields. I would also consider encouraging my students to participate in online groups that are career-centered. Communicating with other students that have similar interests may help them to see that their peers are interested in the same fields. It allows them to connect with a broader society, a network that is outside of their school and community. This could help girls see that interest and expertise in technology is acceptable and even help to encourage them to pursue endeavors in those fields. Furthermore, for all students, male and female, to connect and grow confidence to pursue areas that would ordinarily be associated with gender stereotypes. Within our textbook by Vasquez and Felderman, teachers used a variety of technology tools to help their younger age students connect with other students to learn about culture, geography, and promote social action. Teaching students to learn about and grow interest in different career choices could be addressed as well starting at a young age. Teachers can allow their students to engage and express their interests and encourage the study of different subjects, all while using technology to do so. Similarly, our course textbook, Digital Tools for Teaching, provides a variety of technology tools and ideas to use in the classroom for all ages and in all subjects. The key is to get past the gender stereotypes and to show students a variety of ways to use technology to assist their learning and in real-world application. Today, technology is integrated into so many aspects of our lives. It's a disservice to not teach our students with technology and to continue to promote their confidence and knowledge with it. Their ability to choose from a variety of competitive jobs and their livelihood depend on it.